Welcome to Central Texas Restoration. This is Lance, and we are starting our second BMW restoration project, but this will be the first time we've posted it to video. Hope you enjoy it. In the background you can see my 1981 R65. This was a frame off, crank out, full restoration of a bike that had sat outdoors for 10 years at least. The second bike is a 1982 R65LS that comes from a friend that I agreed to restore it. The bike has not been run in 20 years. The owner actually has moved from California, where he purchased it and it last run, to Florida, then back to Texas here, and now the bike has sat in a shop here in Austin for the last 10 years. Of course, I just brought it home. We've had no rain, but I was lucky enough to get it to wash off the bike because it rained on the way home to the shop. This is your basic Harbor Freight stand. I did get a little scissor lift on Amazon and another wheel vise that I mounted. And other than the hokey way you have to jack the bike up, it works really good. What I really hope to do is just see if the bike will turn over. Hopefully it's not locked up, and maybe we might get it to fire today. But in general, what I want to do is replace all the seals, change all the fluids, clean everything up, and get the bike running. It's amazing. Pretty much stock, minimal modification to anything. The bike's in fantastic shape. The only real modification is years ago, someone changed out the Bing carburetors for Mikuni VM34s. That looks like and smells like 20-year-old gasoline. Surprisingly, the tank is not rusty and still has the red tank sealant that came original from BMW. Boy, look at this find. In the frame tube spine, the original BMW lock and the original BMW pump. Both two pretty rare items. Just starting to lay things out. That has to be an old BMW battery. Ooh, date code May of 91. Let's take the front cover off, see if the bike will turn over freely. And surprisingly, it does. I'll be curious to see what the condition of these spark plugs is, but I want to take them out so I can put the new battery in and see if it'll turn over. For Mikuni carburetors, sure was running rich when it stopped running. How about a little Marvel mystery oil? All right, let's see what happens. Nice new battery. Well, it turns over. That's a plus. Let's see if we have spark. Blue spark. It's a little small, but in the dark you can see it. All right, maybe we put the new plugs in. Put a little gas in it, see if we can get lucky and get it to fire. All right, here we go. Hang the fuel, hook it up, turn it on, and let's see what happens. Well, nothing. Should be fun though, and look forward to getting this old classic back on the road. Guess we'll have to take the battery back out, pull the carbs off, start from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and we'll see you again on the next episode.